Baby Dylan. Say hi to Grandmom and Granddad. Oh, you're hungry, baby? You're hungry? Oh, hi. Don't suck your thumb. What's that? What's that? Approve? No, 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 baby. That's dirty. No. No, what's that? Approve? Approve, baby? No, baby. That's dirty. I'll cut your thumb. No, baby. No, no. You're hungry? Wanna drink milk now? Say, baby. Say hi, Grandmom. Hi, Granddad. Oh, don't cry. Oh, baby's crying. Don't cry, baby. No, 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 no. Hi, say hi, Grandmom. Hi, Granddad. How are you there in Davao? Oh, I'm crying. Say, Dylan, say, I'm crying. I'm hungry. Talk to Grandmom. Talk to Granddad. Tell them, are you here, baby? Oh, baby's crying. See you on August or September, Grandmom, Granddad. Look at baby's face while crying. mm. What's that, baby? No, 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 no. It's dirty. No, baby, that's dirty. Say bye na. Bye, Grandmom. Bye, Granddad. I'll drink my milk now. See you. Bye. I miss you. Takdali.